Hello everybody and welcome to Coding 101. So, in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to compile Java in command mode. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your command prompt. So to get to that, you just go to press Windows and then type in CMD and then press enter. And then this will bring you to your command prompt. So what you want to check is if you type in Java C and then press enter, and if you come up with all of this, then that means you have the Java Development Kit downloaded and you're ready to go. But if you don't have that, then I'll link a video in the description box below for how to download the Java Development Kit. So, the first thing that you want to do is open Notepad. So I'll just click Windows again and then type in Notepad and then press enter. And then it'll open a blank new Notepad file for me. So in here, I'll enter what I want to say for my first Java program. So I'll write my first really easy Hello World program. So I'll just go like that, and then now I'll press save. So I'll do Control S, or you could go to your file and then press save as. So now it'll go here, and then I'll move this to my document, and then I'll name it as hello world.java and then press save. So from here I can X out of this, and then if you open your file, and then if you go to documents, then you should see a hello world Java file that we just created. So here I'll go to my command prompt. Once you open a command prompt window, you can use the same window as the one that you typed the Java C on. So I first have to change my directory to where I put my Java file. So in my case, I put it in my documents. So I'll say CD, which is change directory, to documents. And then if you type in dir, then this will look up what's in your folder. So as you can see, my hello world.java is right here. So now I'll type in Java C and then hello world.java. Now by doing this will help me compile my Java file, and then it'll create a new class file. So if I press enter here, then you should be able to see a new file that'll pop up very soon right here, and it is a class file. So now we go back to command prompt, and then we type in Java, and then as you can see, there is a hello world.class. So we have to copy this word by word, and we have to capitalize it as well. So I'll say hello world with capitalized letters. So I'll say hello world and then press enter. And as you can see, it has printed what I wrote in my program in my notepad. Which is right here, hello world and hi. So that is how to compile Java in command prompt in Windows. And again, if you need to download the Java Development Kit, the link to that video will be in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. And always be sure to put down any suggestions for videos that you want to see in the comments below. And always make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.